Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on or turn off private server profile on Discord. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and click on our server. We're going to go to server settings. And in the server settings, what we need to do is we want to go over and scroll down in server profile category. So as you guys can see, whenever we turn it off, then non-members of the server will be able to see every single content, and they will be able to see it without an invite. But if you turn it on, then a lot of stuff like emojis, stickers, and etc., they won't be visible, and this will basically not be accessible for everybody. But if somebody just turns it off, then they will see which server it came from. And it's totally up to you. You can turn it off right here. Now save changes, and now it's gone. Now it's like a public server, but now you can turn it back on, and now it's a private server again. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.